ethanol, propylene glycol, gasoline. There's no way to measure the water activity of these materials. Until now. At Meter, we've developed a new AquaLab TDL to make impossible water activity measurements routine. The TDL uses a proprietary laser, finely tuned to detect water molecules and only water molecules in the headspace above the sample. The beam of the laser, which is less than 1 nanometer wide, is specific for water. Other vapor molecules don't affect the reading. This sensor is so powerful, it can measure the water activity of previously impossible to measure samples, including teas, spices, and propylene glycol, at any concentration. It correctly reads the water activity of propylene glycol as 0. The sensor has no moving parts and is housed in a fully sealed sample chamber. Samples can be read in 5 minutes or less, and accurate to within 0.005. The AquaLab TDL. Make impossible water activity measurements routine.